Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An important turning point in the development of luxury recreational vehicles has been reached with the unveiling of the new 2027 Best Luxury Motorhomes world premiere, which is the Adria 640 SLB Twin Supreme with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This model is prepared to establish new standards for luxury, technology integration, and user-friendliness in the motorhome industry, all while enhancing Adria's well-established reputation for quality and design. The combination of a high-end moniker and cutting-edge engineering characteristics points to a car made to satisfy affluent customers looking for a smooth and luxurious travel experience. This motorhome's advanced chassis and powertrain are the main factors contributing to its popularity. An 8-speed automatic transmission is a crucial component since it has the potential to completely transform driving for a car this size. On lengthy trips, this sophisticated gearbox would guarantee seamless, accurate, and effortless gear changes, greatly increasing fuel efficiency and lowering driver fatigue. Compared to more conventional RVs, which frequently use less sophisticated transmissions, this is an important difference. Although it isn't stated, the engine is either a contemporary, extremely efficient diesel or perhaps a hybrid system that is made to work in perfect harmony with the transmission to deliver strong power and a smooth ride. It is anticipated that the 2027 Adria 640 SLB Twin Supreme will represent a new standard of both practical and visual elegance. In contrast to its predecessors, the exterior would have a streamlined, aerodynamic profile with a unified, contemporary appearance. A sophisticated color scheme and the use of premium materials would support its luxury classification. With well-located service doors, spacious storage spaces, and discreet, integrated lighting, the design would also be incredibly functional. The name Twin Supreme probably alludes to a redesigned or enlarged interior plan that optimizes use and living area. The Adria 640 SLB's interior would be a technological and comfortable haven. The interior would be painstakingly designed, emphasizing high-end materials and a contemporary minimalist style. A flexible living and eating area would complement the design, which most likely includes a large back bedroom with 2 single beds, hence twin. With its luxurious appliances, vast workspace, and ingenious storage options, the kitchen would be a chef's paradise. The bathroom would have upscale fixtures, a separate shower, and a hint of hotel-style grandeur. The motorhome would be completely equipped with technology. Everything from heating and lighting to water levels and power usage would be controlled by a complete management system that could be accessed through a central touchscreen or a smartphone app. Driver assistance systems and other cutting-edge safety technologies would be standard, giving drivers peace of mind while driving. With its 8-speed automatic transmission and opulent features, the 2027 Adria 640 SLB Twin Supreme is set to revolutionize the concept of a motorhome by fusing the comforts and conveniences of contemporary life with the thrill of travel.